In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Google Merchant Center, which is essential for managing your product listings effectively across Google's platforms. This guide for 2025 will walk you through each step to ensure you're set up correctly and efficiently. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, before you begin the connection process, you'll need to have a few critical items in place. Make sure you have an active Shopify store with your products already listed. You'll also need a Google account to access Google Merchant Center. Speaking of which, if you haven't already, create your account at merchantsgoogle.com. Ensure that your store's domain is both verified and claimed within the Google Merchant Center. And lastly, it's crucial that your products adhere to Google's product data policies, as this will prevent any potential issues down the line. Once your prerequisites are sorted, the next step is to install the necessary app within Shopify. Head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to apps. From there, you'll want to select the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Google and YouTube. It's worth noting that this app was previously known as Google Channel, so don't be surprised by the name change. When you've found the app, go ahead and click Install. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process, which is typically straightforward and user-friendly. With the app now installed, the next step will be to link your Google account and your Google Merchant Center account with Shopify. This is a simple process of confirming and connecting, which Shopify guides you through seamlessly. It's vital that you ensure you're logged into the correct Google account that houses your Merchant Center to prevent any mix-ups. Now let's move on to verifying and claiming your website within the Merchant Center, which is an essential part of the setup. In your Google Merchant Center, go to Business Information and then Your Online Store. You should see your website there. It should appear as verified and claimed if everything has been set up correctly in the previous steps. If not, it usually means there's been a hiccup along the way that will need addressing, such as rechecking your Shopify settings or Google Merchant Center details. And there you have it, folks, a complete guide to connecting Shopify with Google Merchant Center in 2025. By following these steps meticulously, you ensure your products are visible and accessible on Google platforms, enhancing your reach and potentially increasing sales. Stay tuned for more tips and insights into optimizing your online store. Until next time, same. Thanks for watching.